Clients often ask, what should I say to the insurance company, to the insurance adjuster right after a car accident? Well, one of the important things to consider is the issue of liability. And what we would recommend is speak to an attorney first and have the attorney get involved in your case with regard to the issue of who's at fault in the accident. Don't leave it up to yourself in dealing with the insurance adjuster, because remember, the insurance adjuster is a professional, right? That's all they do. They handle thousands of claims. They might have been working for 10 or 20 years. So if they're up against somebody who's never been in an accident before, they're usually going to win, and they're going to ask you certain questions and try to trick you and then use that against you. For example, they could ask you, do you know where the other car was coming from? And somebody, was involved in an accident, they might say, no, I don't know where the other car was coming from. I just felt an impact to my rear. But then later, they could use that against you and say, well, we have a plausible version of the accident, and the plaintiff doesn't even know where the other car was coming from, so we must be right and he must be wrong. So it's always better to consult an attorney first and explain what happened. And actually, in New York, once you consulted with an attorney, the insurance adjuster, especially the insurance adjuster for the other side, the bodily injury adjuster that's adversarial to you, can no longer contact you, and all communications have to be through the attorney. So that kind of insulates you and protects you from any more interrogation. So it's always a good idea to consult an attorney first, and don't answer any questions about liability until you know fully what happened and the attorney can give you advice.